This is a one-off for my channel. There are no masks in the stores, at least when I went to check this morning. I was at the store this morning and I didn't see masks. And with the coronavirus going on and you have to stand in line for a cash register and they said 6 feet apart. People are sneezing and coughing. Listen, I don't want your juice. Before you can be a good Samaritan and say bless you. I ain't saying bless you this time. Stay away from me. Now, since there are no masks, look around your house. You know, Dennis Corner is about using what you have in the house. And guess what I have in the house? Ta-da! My husband's boxers. So I'm going to use this as a mask. And you're going to ask me how. And let me show you how. So this is how it is. Don't worry about the string. This is how it is, right? This is the pocket part where the action happens. Anyway, here, all right? So flip this back and put it over your face, and just go all the way down your face till you get to your nose, all right? Now, see how here is loose? Push it back, twist it, all right, twist it around, and then take the ends that are open and put it on over your head and over your face, and voila. It's tight enough. Your ears are tucked in. Your nose is covered. Coronavirus misruled in this way. Coronavirus. The strings, it could be an old boxer that he's not using anymore. It could be a current one. As long as it's a clean one. Oh, I forgot. Let it be a clean box. I think you already know. All right, so here. You have a mask. Don't worry about my hair. All right, so stay safe. Take care of yourself. Wash your hands. Get your mask on. And God bless us all, okay? Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share, comment down below how you're protecting yourself. And thanks for your support.